Conditions that were once rare or manageable can become persistent and burdensome in the senior years. Many individuals in their golden years are constantly seeking remedies that are affordable, effective, and gentle on the body. One such remedy that continues to surprise health experts and holistic practitioners alike is baking soda. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is more than just a baking ingredient or household cleaner. It possesses unique chemical properties that allow it to neutralize acids, reduce inflammation, and support internal balance within the body. This simple, everyday item found in almost every kitchen has a long-standing history as a natural treatment for various health concerns. In this video, we'll explore 8 powerful ways seniors can use baking soda to improve their health, offering step-by-step instructions, scientific insights, and safety tips. 1. Relieves acid reflux and heartburn. One of the most common complaints among seniors is digestive discomfort, especially acid reflux and heartburn. These issues arise when stomach acid travels upward into the esophagus, leading to a burning sensation in the chest or throat. This condition can be particularly distressing, especially after meals or when lying down. Baking soda works as a natural antacid because it is alkaline in nature. When consumed with water, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in the stomach to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide, neutralizing the acid and easing the burning discomfort. Seniors can find relief by mixing a half teaspoon of baking soda with water and drinking it slowly. This offers temporary relief from the symptoms, allowing them to go about their day with greater comfort. This remedy has been used for generations and is considered safe when used occasionally. It is important, however, not to rely on it excessively, as overuse can lead to alkalosis or excessive sodium intake. Seniors experiencing frequent acid reflux should consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive evaluation. 2. Eases urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections are another health concern that becomes more common with age. Older adults, particularly women, may experience recurring UTIs due to factors such as bladder dysfunction, weakened immunity, and decreased hydration. The discomfort from UTIs, including burning during urination and frequent urges to urinate, can significantly affect quality of life. Baking soda may help by alkalizing the urine, which makes it harder for bacteria like E. coli to thrive. Drinking a diluted solution of baking soda can also ease the burning sensation associated with urination. This approach may be useful at the first sign of infection, but it should not replace antibiotics or professional treatment in the case of persistent or severe infections. Always seek medical advice when managing UTIs, especially in older adults, to avoid complications such as kidney infections. 3. Soothes arthritis and joint pain. Joint pain and arthritis are highly prevalent among the elderly, impacting mobility and independence. Rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disorder that causes inflammation in the joints, can be particularly debilitating. Emerging studies suggest that baking soda might have anti-inflammatory effects by influencing the immune system. According to preliminary research, low doses of baking soda appear to encourage the spleen and other parts of the immune system to shift from a pro-inflammatory state to an anti-inflammatory one. This could potentially benefit people suffering from autoimmune disorders like rheumatoid arthritis. When consumed in small doses with water, baking soda may help reduce the inflammation responsible for pain, stiffness, and swelling. Seniors might find that incorporating baking soda into their daily routine improves their comfort level and range of motion. 4. Supports kidney health. As people age, kidney health becomes increasingly important. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood. In many seniors, kidney function begins to decline naturally. For individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD, especially in the earlier stages, metabolic acidosis can become a concern. This condition occurs when the kidneys can't eliminate enough acid from the body, leading to a buildup that can worsen kidney damage over time. Some research has shown that bicarbonate therapy, which involves taking baking soda under medical supervision, may help slow the progression of kidney disease by reducing acid levels in the blood. Doctors sometimes prescribe sodium bicarbonate tablets for this reason, Seniors with early-stage CKD may benefit from this therapy by improving their metabolic balance and protecting kidney function. However, this is not a remedy that should be self-administered. Because of the sodium content, improper use can raise blood pressure and cause fluid retention, issues that are already prevalent in elderly populations. 5. Relieves skin irritations and itching. Skin issues are common in older adults. As the skin becomes thinner and more delicate with age, it becomes more susceptible to dryness, itching, rashes, and irritations. Baking soda has long been used as a home remedy for soothing various skin ailments. Its natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties make it an ideal solution for temporary relief from skin discomforts. When added to a lukewarm bath, baking soda can help calm inflamed skin and reduce itching caused by eczema, psoriasis, or allergic reactions. For more targeted relief, a paste made from baking soda and water can be applied directly to bug bites, minor burns, or areas of localized irritation. Seniors who experience frequent itching, especially in dry weather, may find that regular baking soda baths bring comfort and help moisturize their skin indirectly. It's a gentle and affordable option that doesn't involve the chemicals or fragrances found in many commercial skin products. Nevertheless, people with open wounds or sensitive skin should proceed with caution. 6. Whitens teeth and freshens breath. Teeth whitening and oral hygiene are also common concerns. Over time, teeth naturally yellow due to diet, lifestyle, and age-related changes in enamel. Bad breath or halitosis may become more noticeable due to dry mouth or dental issues. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and can remove surface stains from teeth. It also helps neutralize acids in the mouth, which cause odor and tooth decay. Brushing with a baking soda paste once or twice a week can brighten teeth, while a baking soda mouth rinse can freshen breath and support overall oral hygiene. However, excessive use can wear down enamel, so moderation is key. Seniors should use it in addition to, not instead of, regular dental care and routine cleanings. 7. Neutralizes body odor. Another often overlooked benefit of baking soda is its ability to neutralize body odor. As people age, hormonal changes, medications, and slower metabolism can alter the body's natural scent. Baking soda works by absorbing sweat and eliminating the bacteria responsible for unpleasant odors. It can be used as a simple, natural deodorant alternative. Mixing baking soda with a small amount of water or coconut oil creates a paste that can be applied to the underarms. This approach avoids the harmful aluminum compounds found in many commercial deodorants, making it a safer option for older individuals concerned about toxicity. 8. Helps fight cold and flu symptoms. Finally, seniors are more susceptible to colds, flu, and sinus infections due to a weaker immune system. Congestion, sore throats, and nasal irritation can quickly become uncomfortable and disruptive. Baking soda offers multiple ways to ease these symptoms. A warm salt and baking soda gargle can soothe a sore throat, reduce bacteria, and ease inflammation. For nasal relief, a baking soda and saline rinse using a neti pot can clear sinuses and reduce infection risk. These methods not only provide comfort, but also support the body's natural defenses by creating an alkaline environment where bacteria and viruses are less likely to thrive. Baking soda is a powerful and versatile remedy that can offer a wide range of health benefits for seniors when used appropriately. However, the key to safely harnessing these benefits lies in moderation, awareness of personal health conditions, and always consulting with a healthcare professional before making it a regular part of a health routine. As with all natural remedies, it should be seen as a complement to, not a replacement for, professional medical care. With mindful use, seniors can integrate baking soda into their wellness practices and possibly find relief from several common age-related ailments. If this video helped you, imagine what our next one will do. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the curve.